Another one.
Issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Logan County, southeastern Mason County, northeastern Menard County, southeastern Tazewell County until 9 p.m. At 5:56 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Radar estimated that 3 to 4 inches of rain has fallen since 5 p.m. between St. Joe's and Endon. Water was reported over parts of Interstate 155 near the Tazewell County line.
Uh-oh.
Some periods of heavy rain will continue through 6 p.m. Some locations that will experience flooding include Mason City, Minear, Greenview, Emden, Arlington, Middletown, Hartsburg, New Holland, and Sweetwater. This includes the following highways: Interstate 155 between mile markers 0 and 13. Interstate 55 between mile markers 126 and 128.